Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will review more about a skincare product called Collagen Snail Whitening Face Cream. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Aichun Beauty Collagen Snail Whitening Face Cream is an anti-acne, brightening, whitening, and anti-aging face cream which is very effective on the face. This cream is enriched with whitening and moisturizing ingredients that rapidly infiltrate into the cuticles, remove melanin, improve the dull, sallow and uneven skin and enhanced its whitening ability, keeping fair, smooth, moisturized and elastic. Collagen Snail Whitening Face Cream is one of the cream that is underrated. The cream works like magic but some people doesn't takes it serious. The cream is very good on the skin, all skin type can use it. How to use Collagen Snail Whitening Face Cream. After skin cleansing, or before going outside, apply the cream to the face or the areas of the body as required, and gently massage until absorption. Benefits of using Collagen Snail Whitening Face Cream. 1. It helps to clear acne on the face. 2. It a whitening cream that help to whitens dark spots area on the skin. 3. It a brightening cream that helps to brighten up the skin. 4. It an anti-aging cream. Side effects of Collagen Snail Whitening Cream. It has no side effects, but if you are using it and skin reactions appear discontinue. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions drop it on the comments section, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.